Hey guys, these are the smart robot dogs. They come in a couple colors. This is the gold one and this is the pink one. So why don't we open these things up, see what they can do. All right, so your smart dog comes with your dog, of course. You get a remote, a battery pack and charger, and then a screwdriver, which will be used for putting your battery in and out. The remote does take AAA batteries that are not included, so make sure you have some of those ready to go. To turn your robot puppy on, you're just gonna press this button on the front here.
Hello, hello, puppy. Hello, hello, puppy.
So that's how they turn on. And then on your remote, you can, All right, so you can use your remote. Oh, okay. This is something important to note. So we have 2 dogs, 2 remotes, but one remote is controlling both of the dogs. So it looks like they do some of their own stuff here. This table's a little bit too small for them, but you can also control them with the remote here. You do have a volume button, which is nice. You can turn it down. There's 4 different volume levels. So we're gonna turn that down a little bit here. And then on your remote, there's a bunch of different things you can have your dog do. So I can make it sit. We can make it stand on his head. Oh, it does a whole flip here. All right, let's see, what's this one? This is act like a spoiled child, the manual said this is. All right, let's try this one. Okay.
Hello, hello, puppy.
So that's the high button. This is the dance button. Oh. All right, then there's a music button, and it plays 3 different songs. Oh my goodness. And the most important button of all is the pause button. So when you press the pause button, it stops what it's doing. There is also a, which you're probably gonna want, there is also a program button on here. So you can press that and then put in order a bunch of the different movements and it'll do it automatically. Another cool thing these can do, you can just pet under their chin and they will do a random action. Which is pretty cool. Let's see if we can get this follow mode to work here. So you just press this button here, and they are supposed to follow you around. Doesn't quite seem to be working. Let's try it. Pause them, and then follow. Alright, so maybe I'm doing something wrong with that follow button, or maybe it doesn't work real well, but definitely lots of fun. The kids are having a blast playing with these. Alright, why don't we turn these down just a little bit here. So also important to note, it does actually drive on carpet, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so really cool little smart robot dogs here. They do lots of different stuff. The kids are really excited to go play with these. The only thing we couldn't figure out was the follow me feature. It seemed like it almost worked, but maybe it sometimes has something to do with our floor because we have a shiny floor in there. But we'll try that again, try that some different ways. And yeah, are you singing one of the dog songs? So I'm gonna let them go play with these, but I wanted to show you guys what these dogs are like, so you guys can decide for yourself if this is something you want. So our kids love them. Your kids are probably gonna love them as well.